Hi there, we are Guanchanamobae. This is our Orbital 2020 project. The web application and our project's name is called You2B. Alright, and this is the login page that you will see after having logged in with our URL up here. There's a quick little guide you might want to follow if you see warnings flash up on your browser. Right, it'll just show you the permissions that you need to grant and how to grant them and what to click, what buttons. Right, I don't have that issue with my browser since I verified it already. So we can sign in with Google here. Right, let me just add in my email and password. Alright, now we are getting access inside. Alright, so this is the loading page. It might take a while to load depending on how many subscriptions you have. Right, so this channel has about 15 subscriptions and it took a couple of seconds there. This is the basic user interface. We have all your subscribed videos neatly arranged up here in chronological order. And as you can see there, you can browse through the different months. So if you want to watch based on the period of time, it's quite convenient for you, in my opinion. And you're able to remove videos as well. That's our first big main feature. You can click them away, and if you want to undo, you can click the undo button here, right, to undo that. Note that if you change page, for example, the undo button will go away. So yeah, you can only undo while you're within this page. Right, we have a guide down here if you need any help with anything or understanding how certain things work. Our GitHub repo is linked down here as well if you want to see the code for yourself. Alright. Yeah, so that's the basic user interface, and the purpose of which is to give you a user experience where all your high quality YouTube videos are collected and displayed and periodically updated in one central location. So that's our first feature, right? The remove feature, and keeps your subscription feed nice and clean. So the only videos that you have shown up here are the ones you actually want to watch, right? Second feature is the ability to add videos, and you can do that by connecting a playlist. If you are confused what that means, and you can click the little question mark, it will bring you to the guide. Right, let's go back. Oh, sorry, a bit of loading. So we need to create a playlist ID to connect with your You2B account. Let's go to YouTube to create a playlist. Alright. Alright, I'm signed in here. Let's see. Oh, this is an interesting camera one. Alright, click down here. Saved playlist. Please do not add to the watch later playlist. There are some kind of bugs with that, so you have to create your own playlist. We can create a new playlist. Let's call it a add playlist. Any name works really. It's public, right? It's important, right? You want it to be public. Okay, added playlist. So let's go to our playlist. How do we access that? Go to library, and in library you should see the playlists down here. View full playlist. Right. So if we go back here, you can see that the only videos are from our subscription feed. And then in here, we will take the playlist ID, which is everything after the list equations. Okay, so all that. Come in here, and let's paste it in. Submit. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the video has been added to your user feed. And if you notice here, right, if you just quickly click, this is actually on released 22nd July, but the date of this video has been assigned 27th July, which is to say that it's kind of been pushed to the front of your page, and it's been pushed by assigning a date, the date of when you loaded this video in, right? So when in the future you have more subscriptions from your subscribed channels filling in your custom feed, this will actually get pushed down the feed, so it doesn't clog up, and it's integrated into your subscription feed rather than being its own separate thing, which is the whole purpose of our YouTube ad. So now we have this video, and you should note that we can just add other videos, right? Let's add to the same playlist, and add playlist. Okay, and you don't need to re-add the playlist, it will automatically add it for you. Alright, so it's been added in right here. There's a bit of a lag, apologies. Yeah, so that's our two main features as well as our two mini features. Two mini features being our pagination, right? You can go back as far as you want, and you can another mini feature, I guess, is the ability to undo. But our two main features are the ability to remove videos, including the edit videos, as well as add new videos via this connected playlist. So the purpose of You2B is to be able to store all your content in one place, right? Rather than having it, let's say, in your playlists and in your subscriptions, right? Then if you're using the normal YouTube, you'll have to go to your subscriptions, and then some of the channels you want to stay subscribed to, but you're not interested in all the content they have to release, so you don't unsubscribe to them, and it results in a lot of videos that just clutter up your feed, making the user interface and experience suboptimal. And you can add videos and just watch them via the playlist, right? So if we go to the add playlist here, we can actually just watch the videos here. But we find, our users find that having it all in one central location makes a big difference. And having that central location, being able to remove and curate and add, makes the experience a lot more clean, and it turns the YouTube user experience from one of mindless scrolling through like the homepage, for example, into a more curated, careful, deliberate experience that you can enjoy, for a long period of time without feeling as though you're wasting your time, because all this content has been curated by yourself for yourself. Thank you, and if you just want to sign up right here, links in the description for the website, and thanks for watching.